Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia if you're new here. In today's video, I have got my base as well as my premium box for the month of September from Boxycharm, and I wanted to do things a little bit differently this time. Normally I will do like an unboxing demo in the same video, but I figured some people may just want the quick details, like what did you get in your box, because I love watching unboxing videos. I've watched so many. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. First off is my base box. Now this one retails for $30, and the value that I got in this one is actually pretty dang good. The look I have on today, I actually filmed using this box. It will go up after this video, so just be on the lookout for that in case you're interested. But let's go ahead and get into this one. So of course there's always a theme. The theme this month is real life runway, stretch your runway. And then on the back you've got details about what comes in the box and the values. All right, so first off, I got 2 skincare items in this box, and then the rest of it is makeup. So I feel like there is a pretty good like split in between that, kind of get the best of both worlds. So first off is from a brand I have not heard of before. Actually, I've never heard of either of these brands, but this is from Flight Mode is the brand, and it is the high altitude hydration mask. So this is one of those sleeping masks that you put on and it's just hydrating. You don't rinse it off, you rub it into your skin. This retails for $39. Then you have got some little glycolic exfoliating treatment pads from Som Institute. There are 50 treatment pads in here, and this retails for $65. That is more than $1 a little facial pad, and that is expensive, okay? I don't know if I would go out and purchase that, but yeah, it is nice to get in the box. All right, next up is the thing I was the most excited about, which is this palette from Ace Beauté. This is the Violet Sage palette. I will go ahead and show you what it looks like. This is it here, and as I mentioned, this is what I have on today. This retails for $32. If you're interested in seeing some more Ace Beauté palettes just in general, if you type in Alicia Corrigan Ace Beauté, any that I have with this brand should pop up. All right, next up is from Wander Beauty. This is a really good brand. Like literally everything I've tried from them I have really liked. But this is a little duo. It is a On the Glow blush and illuminator duo, and I have mine in the shade Petal Pink, and this retails for $38. And then last up, this is from Kimchi, and this is a little bronzer. This retails for $15, and I have mine in the shade I Went to Malibu. So that is everything that came in the base box. Again, the base box subscription is like $30, and the value of everything I got in this is $189. Next up, we have got the premium box. You can barely even get this all in the frame. This one is obviously bigger. This one retails for $40. Now, I will say the value in this one was less than in the base box. However, I think I like these products a little bit better. All right, there is only one skincare item in this one, and then I've got 5 makeup items. So let's go ahead and get the skincare out of the way. This is from Elemis. This is a very well-known, popular brand. I feel like I like this brand. I haven't had any, negative results with this, like no reactions, anything like that. And I've tried quite a bit from this brand. This I have not tried. This is the Superfood Fruit Vinegar Liquid Glow. So this is a toner, and Elemis in general is a pretty pricey brand, so I would be more prone to getting like their creams and things like that. A toner from them is not something I personally would like shell that money out for, so I am happy to get this in the box. This retails for $36. All right, next up I got 2 different lip products. Both of these brands are very popular, very well known, which very much excites me. I love both of these brands. So first off is from Patrick Ta. This is the Major Glow Lip Shine, and I've got mine in She's Expensive. All right, sorry, I feel like my camera keeps like sliding down. All right, so I readjusted. Next up is a iconic lipstick from NARS. Now, this one is in the shade Blonde Venus, which I think is such a beautiful, like neutral type of a shade to put in this box. I'm so glad it wasn't like a red or like a purple or something like that. But this retails for $26. NARS lipsticks are so, so good. If you have not tried one and you got this in your box, it's a treat, okay? This I was not that excited about, to be honest with you. This is from Less Beauty. This is a felt tip precision point eyeliner, and this retails for $20. You guys know I use powders for liner 99% of the time. Very rarely do I use a liquid liner. I don't use false lashes. I think a lot of people that use false lashes, they use this to kind of cover up the lash band. That's not the reality for me. So just in general, I don't get excited about these types of products too often. I don't know. I may use this. I may pass it on. That retails for $20. I was excited to see this. This is from About Face, and again, this is a brand that I think is just very interesting in general. This is from Halsey. This is her brand, and this is the Light Lock Powder. So I love her packaging. I think her prices are pretty good. Like, this only retails for $18. So I think it's kind of in between like drugstore and high-end pricing. Her pricing is really pretty reasonable in my opinion. Now, this one is called Smother. She does like kind of more colorful types of looks and vibes and things like that, which is completely fine. But this is the highlighter here. As you can tell, it is like a shimmery pink. If I am going to do a colored highlighter, pink is like the way that I'm going to go. I feel like it's very brightening, well, pink or like a really, really light purple. But that's, as far as colors go, that's about it for me. But yeah, I love this packaging. I just wanted to pull it out because I did want to show you how beautiful the packaging is. But again, that retails for $18. And then last up in the box is from Iconic Beauty. This is a eyeshadow palette. This is the Dusk to Dance eyeshadow palette. I thought it was going to say Dusk Till Dawn, but it's Dusk to Dance. So I guess it's, you know, kind of like business into nighttime type of vibes. But it is a pretty big eyeshadow palette, like it's as big as my face. This retails for $62. All right, so for $62, you are getting 20 different eyeshadow shades. This is them here. I have gotten some Iconic London eyeshadow palettes in my boxes previously. I think I've gotten 2. One I still have in my bathroom. I don't really use it that often just because it is, I mean, they're nice eyeshadows, but it's nothing like, it's not like Huda or Patrick Ta, like something that excites me to use, you know what I mean? But it is just a good standard palette. The other one I gave to my daughter. We'll see how this one performs. Again, I will have a video going up using the products in this box as well, so be on the lookout for that. Now, again, I think it was very interesting that the value on this box was lower. The value on this one was $184, and again, the price of this one is $40. It usually drops my account for like $42, $43 with tax. So, I mean, it's just a give and take, kind of, you know, what type of products you're more interested in. I think both boxes were really good this month. There was a good split between makeup and skincare. I feel like you got a good variety of both. But let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you get Boxycharm, let me know what you got in your boxes. I would love to know. I hope that you are subscribed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.